In this session, let us learn about Pareto distribution. Pareto distribution. A distribution following Pareto's law, this is 80-20 distribution. 20% factors cause 80% outcome. It has two parameters. A. Shape parameter, size, the shape of the returned array. Let us see the example. Draw out a sample for Pareto distribution with shape of 2 with size 2 into 3. See, if we execute this code, the result returns this. Visualization of Pareto distribution. 0D arrays of scalars or elements in array. Each value in an array is a 0D array. Example, create a 0D array with value 42. See, if we execute this code, the result returns this. Okay friends, this is the end of part 28, Pareto distribution. In next video, let us learn about another topic, uniform distribution. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.